Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Era Nova, and today we discuss about what is industrial sociology. As we know, industrial sociology is a subject of engineering. So in this subject we study an examination of interaction among the people which is working in the industry, and we also study the workers in other relationship with each other. The industry here refers to the place where the goods and services are produced for the consumption in an economy. It is the place where every single person comes and interact with each other for the process of production and consumption. I hope you got all the points. So now we move to the other point, nature and scope of industrial sociology. So industrial sociology is defined as a science as well as an art. Industrial sociology is defined as a science because all the problems which is created in an industry is investigate and evaluate in the form of systematic method and evidence or empirical formulas. It also includes several social and physical sciences such as economics, psychology and rural sociology. So industrial sociology is also defined in the form of art because all the problems and production and consumption within in the industry are understood in the form of dynamic and static equations. The production and consumption which is produced in a industry are understood in the dynamic relationship, and the interaction within the people and the workers are studied in the form of static. So now we move to the next point, scope of industrial sociology. As we know today, a very important part of industrialization. So scope of industry sociology is not a very small, it is a very wide area because all the persons are totally dependent in on industry. So it is categorized into two parts, in external relation and internal relationship, and then internal relation are further categorized in three categories: formal, informal and mixed. So we discuss about external relation. External relation is understand in this form, that one industry has a good and bad relation in the form of other industry, and one country have a relation in the form of export and import, and a government policies of one country to the other country. So it is in the short, it is only relationship, one industry to other, one government to other, and one policy to other policy. Internal relations is described in the form that it is the relation which occurs in within a industry. Just like one industry have a thousand and 1 lakh peoples, so they interrelated with each other in the form of work and other relations. So it is only relation which occurs only within a industry and within a mill and within a country. So we move to the next point.